Hey, Bolo Buddies, thanks for watching. All right, you guys, my name is Courtney, also known as Bolo Buddies. This is my second channel. My main channel is Bolo Buddies. So if you're not subscribed over there, go check it out. It is full of Bolo content. Bolo means be on the lookout for items you can buy low and sell high. Um, hey, Bolo Buddies, thanks for watching. Full-time reseller. All right, let's get started. So in this video, this is going to be a 7-part series. It's something new I'm trying this month. Um, I'm going to feature 5 members from my main Bolo Buddies channel, and one item that I feature is going to be from the Goodwill. And when I say from the Goodwill, I don't know if you guys know, but on eBay, the Goodwill has stores on eBay. They have stores on eBay. And it's pretty cool. I have some videos on it on my main channel if you want to check those out. But anyway, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you the 5 featured members. I'm going to either show you their eBay store or their YouTube channel. Just a quick blurb. And you can check out for more details down below in the description. You can find them down there. And then I'm going to show you the 6 items, and you guys are going to try to guess which item was sold by the Goodwill. Okay. So it's just kind of fun, interactive, a way to kind of be involved. Uh, now, then I'm going to have a brief break. I'm going to show you my trailer probably or something. And you guys can put that down in the comments who you think, so which one was the Goodwill item. And then I'm going to pull up the items again. And for the members, I'm going to tell you where they got the item, what it sold for, and what they paid for it. So great way to learn. That's basically what I do for my featured members video on my main channel. That is a perk that they get to be in the featured members video. So you can join memberships on my Bolo Buddies channel for perks. To be in the video, it's $4.99 a month. You do not have to join. It is just if you want the perk. My channel is completely free other than that. So check it out if you're interested. If not, no worries. Just come back for the bolos and watch the videos. All right, you guys, are you ready to get started? All right, the first item here we have. Actually, I'm going to show you the members real quick. And this is going to be quick. If you want to know more detail, check out the featured members videos. The first one comes from Auctions for You. She does live selling events, you guys. If you're looking for inventory, it's a great place to source. I have tons of videos where I have sourced from her and Donatella Bonalino. I actually unbox the items and share with you guys what I got, how I price things, and all of that good stuff. So I am going to go in a little more on her channel because I want you guys to go watch those unboxing videos. They're super cool. Toledo Antique also does live sales. Sometimes they start things at $1, so check them out. Mindful Recycle. Oh my goodness, Bolo Finder. Check her out. Sister Rescued Treasures. They're on eBay and Mercari. This is the Mercari store, so go check them out. And the Thrifty Broad, who mostly sells on Poshmark and shops at the bins. If you want to see some amazing finds from the Goodwill bins, check her out. All right, you guys, are you ready to see the 6 items? Again, you're going to tell me in the comments which item you think was sold by eBay, the Goodwill that sells on eBay. All right, so the first item is this Oneida Community Plate Silver Plate Flatware. It sold for $89.99 plus shipping. The next item is this Insco Homegrown Green Anthropomorphic Apple Snake Collectible Figurine from 2008. It sold for $32.95 plus shipping. The next item is this Marissa Christina Classics Vintage Sweater. Are those cats? I think they're cats. I don't know what they are, but it's definitely an ugly Christmas sweater in my opinion. But you guys, weird sells, right? Sold for $36 plus shipping. The next item is this WWF Jack's Pacific. It is a action figure, and it sold for $59.99 plus shipping. This is a Seattle Mariners autographed framed poster, and this sold for $78.77 plus shipping. And the last item are these Rydell skates. These are vintage skates from the 80s, and they are really, really cool if you ask me. But vintage skates can definitely be a bolo. All right, you guys, I am going to show you my trailer now. While I'm doing that, you guys figure out which of these items was sold by the Goodwill. Take a guess, put it down in the description. And then when we come back, the 5 items that were sold by the featured members, I'm going to tell you where they got it, what they paid for it, and what it sold for. Hey, Bolo Buddies, thanks for watching. I'm going to tell you where they got it, what they paid for it, and what it sold for. Full-time reseller. $600 for a My Little Pony. Amazing, right? All right, let's get started. Okay, we're back. The first item was this Oneida Community Plate Silverware. And this was sold by Toledo Antique, and they sold this on consignment. So they do estate sales, and a lot of times people will give them things to sell on eBay on consignment. I'm not sure. I think they do a 50-50 split, but I could be thinking of someone else. Again, this sold for $89.99 plus shipping. This is just silver plate, you guys. The next item was sold by Sister Rescued Treasures. This little snake was $1 from a thrift store. I've never seen anything like it, but $32.95 is a pretty fantastic price. Super cool item, and the buyer paid shipping on that. The next item is this cat sweater, and this was sold by the Thrifty Broad, and this was a Goodwill pickup. She did pay $6.75 for it. It sold for a best offer of $33.69, and the buyer paid shipping. The next item was sold by Auctions for You. She recently picked up a whole huge thrift store. I don't know if it was a thrift store. It was full of vintage toys. It was a toy store, I think, full of vintage toys. And then she also got some storage units that were full of toys. So she is just loaded up with toys, you guys. Go check her out, and check out the most recent unboxing video I did of a box of toys that I got from her for $100. Definitely a fun unboxing. And I listed them all on eBay, and I show you guys how I listed it and what has sold so far. So this action figure, I don't know what her cost of goods was because it was a bulk buy, but she sold it for $59.99 plus shipping. The next item is from the Goodwill, the eBay Goodwill, you guys. Again, this is just a Goodwill that sells on eBay, and there are tons of them on eBay. So if you go into the store and you wonder why all the good stuff is missing, they're probably selling it on eBay. Just saying. If you check out those videos I did on the Goodwill stores, they're pretty fascinating. So that was obviously donated. The next item are these skates, and these were sold by Mindful Recycle. She got these at an estate sale for $5, and they sold for the full asking price of $129 plus shipping. All right, you guys, let me know, what do you think about this series? Do you like it? Again, it's a 7-video series, so check the videos out before and after. This, I believe, is part 4. And if you made it this far, please leave me an emoji of some glasses, sunglasses, glasses, I don't know, whatever, or just write sunglasses. Feedback appreciated. And again, this is just something new I'm trying to, just for fun. It's a bonus video for the members. I like to try to do a bonus video every month just to give them an extra shout out. So thank you guys for being here. Thank you for watching. Please go down to the comments or to the description and check out those channels and those eBay stores. Thanks, you guys. Have a great day. Be sure to check out the description of the video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.